We are about to get our couch and love seat delivered, but before we do that, as you can see, the floor has muddy dog paws all over it where it rained yesterday. So I'm going to use my OnGuard cleaner and mop it, so I'll show you the befores and after. I'll have to get Elvis up. He looked real motivated. Okay, so this is the OnGuard concentrated cleaner that I use. We also use the foaming hand soap, which comes out of this. This will fill about 3 of these bottles halfway, and then I put water in the rest so it's a little diluted, so it lasts a little bit longer. Still does an amazing job at cleaning. But this cleaner here, I will pour into the bucket to mop, and this is also in this spray bottle here. I just bought an empty spray bottle, and then I mix it and spray it on the counters, whatever I'm cleaning. So I do not measure, and I just kind of pour, and then whatever looks good, and then once I get the mop in there, we'll see how it suds up. There is directions on here. I'm just never been any good at following directions. See, it's still wet, but super easy to get all the stuff off. If you do have a spot that maybe has been caked on for a while or just needs a little bit of extra oomph, you can actually pour the concentrated OnGuard directly on top of it and let it sit. But you can see it is pretty clean. I just mopped where the couch was going. Everywhere else really needs a little bit more of a deep cleaning that I don't feel like putting on camera because it's a mess. We're still in the process of moving. And so we have all kinds of stuff everywhere. That is just that one living room. Didn't look like that much dirt, but it's pretty nasty.